How's it going there, everyone? Today, what we are going to be doing in this video is an unboxing of the Google Pixel 8 Pro. I got the beige color right here in 128 gigabyte configuration directly from T-Mobile. Let's go ahead and crack into the box and see what is inside. So taking a look here, on the left side, we just have the Google logo. On the top, we just have the Google logo. Or I'm sorry, the left side we had the word Google, while on the right we have the word Pixel 8 Pro, and here's the back. Nothing fancy, just two tabs on the side of the box to cut open. Let's go ahead and grab the scissors here. All right, one down and two. Lift this up. Was a tight squeeze getting this box open. Put that off to the side. There's the phone sitting with the screen face down. Lift that tab. Put it off to the side. Let's dig into everything else. Here we have a USB-C to a USB-A adapter. And we have one charging cable, which is USB-C to USB-C. And let's take a look at the documentation here. Unfortunately, this does not come with a power adapter that plugs into the wall outlet. So they're doing what Apple started with and not including these anymore. So the first piece of literature here, nothing special, although there is a SIM injection tool. All right, there's the T-Mobile terms and conditions, nothing important. And this one's probably about safety and such. All right, let's put the rest of the box on the side and take a look at the Pixel 8 Pro. So if I flip this over, we have a tab to peel off, and notice all the symbols on the tab itself. Those indicate what the buttons do. Where's your fingerprint sensor and where's the SIM card tray. Otherwise, took off the protector and we'll set the phone down to take a look at it. So here on the top we have the front facing camera. Look at the left side, we have the SIM card tray. On the top you have nothing other than that microphone. On the right side you have the power button and the volume buttons. On the bottom, you have your microphone, USB-C, and speaker. Take a look at the back. We got the three cameras with an LED flash and a thermometer. The Pixel 8 Pro has a 6.7-inch super actual display with a resolution of 1344 by 2992 at 489 pixels per inch. The glass on this display is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, goes up to 1600 nits HDR and up to 2400 nits peak brightness. It's got HDR support. Inside of the Pixel 8 Pro, you have a 5050 milliamp hour battery that'll give you 24 hours of battery life, or up to 72 hours if you use the Extreme Battery Saver feature. This also supports fast charging up to 50% in about 30 minutes, but that's only if you use Google's 30-watt USB-C power adapter, which you'd have to buy that separately since it's not included in the box. It also supports fast wireless charging as it's Qi certified. You also have 12 gigs of RAM with Google's Tensor G3 processor. Now there's three cameras on the back. One of them is a 50 megapixel wide camera. The other one is a 48 megapixel ultra wide camera. Then the last one is 48 megapixel telephoto. Otherwise, the front facing camera is 10.5 megapixels. Both can also record in 4K and 1080p. Well everyone, that's going to do it for me in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and also let me know if there's anything specific that you would like to see on the Pixel 8 Pro, as I will be posting more videos about this phone, so be sure to stay tuned. Also check out my social media links in the description below. I will see you in the next one. Take care, everybody.